Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with sleep apnea, you probably heard about CPAP therapy. But what exactly is CPAP? How does it work? And why do so many doctors recommend it as the first-line treatment for sleep apnea? That's what I will explain in today's video. But just a quick note before we start. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always follow your doctor's instructions. So, let's start with the basics. CPAP stands for Continuous Positive Airway Pressure, and that might sound complicated, but the idea is so simple. CPAP therapy uses a steady, gentle stream of air to keep your airway open while you sleep. So think of it like an invisible air cushion, stopping your throat from collapsing so you can breathe freely all night. And here's how it works. The CPAP machine pulls in-room air, filters it, and then delivers it at a set pressure. That air flows through a tube into your mask and finally into your airway. The pressure is not painful or overwhelming. It's just enough to keep the airway from closing. Imagine gently blowing air into a straw to stop it from bending. That's basically what CPAP does for your airway. So, why is CPAP therapy so important? First, it improves sleep quality. You finally get that deep, restorative rest your body needs. Second, it reduces or even eliminates snoring. And third, you will usually feel more energy and focus during the day. And finally, it can lower serious health risks linked to untreated sleep apnea, like high blood pressure or heart strain. Most patients notice a huge difference once they get used to CPAP therapy. And here at Oxigo, we even offer the option to rent a CPAP device if you live in the Netherlands. So that way you can try it at home before making a long-term decision. It's a great way to see the benefits for yourself. Of course, starting CPAP isn't always that easy. Let's address some common concerns. The mask feels strange. Totally normal. Most people need a short adjustment period. It can take a few nights or even weeks, but your body adapts. Trust me. The machine is noisy. Actually, modern CPAP devices are very quiet. Many patients say the soft sound even helps them fall asleep. Traveling with CPAP. Yeah, you can travel. There are lightweight, portable CPAP machines made exactly for this purpose. And what about comfort? Well, there are many different types of masks. Nasal pillow masks, nasal mask, full face masks. The key is finding the one that fits you best. At Oxigo, we understand that CPAP isn't a one size fits all. So some people prefer smaller masks, others need a full face mask. Some want ultra-quiet devices, others prioritize portability. So that's why what makes us unique is that you can actually visit our office here in Utrecht by booking an appointment. You can see the different CPAP machines and masks in person, so you know exactly what works for you. And of course, if you're not nearby, you can also explore all our products on our website, oxigo.com. So, what is CPAP therapy? It's simply a gentle stream of air that keeps your airway open at night. It may look intimidating at first, but it's one of the most effective ways to treat sleep apnea and improve the quality of your life. If you've been diagnosed with sleep apnea and are considering CPAP, remember, the most important thing is to stick with it. The benefits really are worth it. Here at Oxigo, we're here to help you every step of the way. So visit us in Utrecht if you like to see the device in person, or check out our full range online at oxigo.com. You will find the link in the description. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and if it helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone who might benefit. I will see you in the next video.